in this spiritual world also these role play identities and these levels of free wills, these levels of free wills, Prabhu, and the role play identities and the chaturvarnyam, these things exist in the spiritual world also, Prabhu.
It's the same free will when it is extended in different, naturally role plays are there in this, it's a way of life, no? Role plays are there in the spiritual world also. In the all the role play identities in the spiritual world which you take, let's say I want to cook something for Krishna in the spiritual world, and I have to identify that I want to be a good cook, right? So it's a role play. But who are you eternally? Are you a cook? No. You are a servant of Krishna. You need variety. Now I will cook. Next I will clean the floor. Next I will feed. Next I will worship. Next I will do. So varieties of role plays are there in the spiritual world also. But all those role plays are servant identities. Because there is no discordance there. In the material world, role play fellows, they're all scattered fellows. Somehow you need to hold them and coordinate them all together towards the conceptual identity, which is I am this body. But in the spiritual world, it's very natural. Role plays come and then